Welcome back everyone to episode 2 of our Unity 2D Survivor series. In this episode, we're going to create the full shooting system. Automatic firing, bullets, damage, and everything we need for weapons in this game. Let's jump right in. First, we need a bullet. Inside the sprites folder, I'll select a small projectile sprite. Anything round or bright works for testing. Drag it into the scene, rename it to bullet, and let's add a rigid body 2D and a circle collider 2D. Make the rigid body kinematic and the collider a trigger. Then I'll create a scripts, weapons folder, and add a new script called Kunai. Let's open it. Now, let's create the player shooting script that will handle automatic firing. Inside scripts, weapons, I'll create a new script called player shooting. I'll start by importing Unity Engine and creating the base structure for the Kunai class. This script will be responsible for moving the projectile forward and destroying it after a short time. Next, I'll add a speed, a lifetime, and a direction. Speed controls how fast the Kunai travels, lifetime will automatically destroy it after a few seconds, and direction is where the Kunai should move, left or right, depending on the player. In the start method, I'll destroy the Kunai after its lifetime expires. This keeps the scene clean and prevents hundreds of unused projectiles from staying in memory. And in update, I'll move the Kunai using translate. Multiply by speed and delta time, so it moves smoothly and consistently each frame. This makes the Kunai fly in whatever direction we set when we spawn it. And that's our Kunai projectile script. It moves in the given direction, destroys itself after a short time, and stays lightweight and clean. Now we can spawn this Kunai from the player and change its direction depending on whether the player is facing left or right. Now that our Kunai projectile is ready, let's create the script responsible for shooting it from the player. Inside the scripts folder, I'll create a new script called player shooting. Let's open it. First, I'll add a reference to our Kunai prefab so the player can spawn it. Then, I'll add a fire rate to control how often the player shoots and a fire cooldown to track the timing between shots. I'll also get the sprite renderer so we can check if the player is flipped. This will tell us whether to shoot left or right. Inside Start, I'll cache the sprite renderer. We already used this in the movement script, and we'll reuse it to determine the shooting direction. In Update, I'll decrease the cooldown every frame. If the cooldown reaches 0 or below, that means it's time to shoot again. So we call the shoot method and reset the cooldown to the fire rate. Now let's write the actual shoot method. First, we'll check the facing direction of the player. If the sprite is flipped, the player is facing left. Otherwise, right. Then we instantiate a new Kunai at the player's position. Finally, we assign a direction to the Kunai. Positive X for right, negative X for left. This is all we need for a simple automatic shooting system. Alright, let's go back into Unity and test our shooting system. When I press play, you can see the player automatically throwing Kunai at a steady rate. If I move to the left, the Kunai flip and fire to the left. If I move right, they fire to the right. Everything is working smoothly. Exactly like a Survivors.io style auto attack. This is a great foundation for the weapon system we'll be expanding later with damage upgrades, weapon variations, multiple projectiles, and more. If you're enjoying this series and you want to see the next episodes, enemy spawning, waves, upgrades, boss fights, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorials.